Hey there, wellness wavers. Many of us aspire to maintain a youthful appearance and enjoy a long, fulfilling life. While your genetics may give you a solid foundation, your diet plays a crucial role in enhancing your longevity. Want to turn back the clock without a time machine? Discover the top 10 foods that can make you look 10 years younger. From delicious treats to everyday superfoods, these age-defying eats will have you glowing from the inside out. Ready to unlock the secret to youthful skin? Let's dive in. Number 10. Pumpkin seeds. Ever wondered how a small snack can have a big impact on your appearance? Pumpkin seeds might be the answer. Rich in zinc, antioxidants, and healthy fats. These tiny powerhouses are incredibly effective in assisting with skin repair and reducing signs of aging. Studies have shown that zinc promotes collagen production and reduces inflammation, which helps maintain youthful skin. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that zinc deficiency can lead to more pronounced signs of aging, making pumpkin seeds a crucial addition to your diet. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds also support immune function and improve sleep quality thanks to their magnesium content. Next time you're looking for a crunchy snack, reach for a handful of pumpkin seeds to not only keep your skin looking great, but also enhance your overall health. Sprinkle them on your salad or yogurt for a delicious boost that keeps you glowing inside and out. Number 9. Dark chocolate. Could indulging in chocolate actually make you look younger? It might sound too good to be true, but dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids and antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage and improve blood flow. Research from the Journal of Nutritional Science has demonstrated that the antioxidants in dark chocolate can help combat oxidative stress, leading to a more youthful appearance. Dark chocolate's flavonoids improve skin hydration and elasticity, which can make fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. And here's a sweet bonus. Besides making you look younger, dark chocolate can also boost your mood and support cardiovascular health. So, go ahead and enjoy a piece of high-quality dark chocolate. Your skin and your taste buds will thank you. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Looking for a tasty way to turn back the clock on your skin? Sweet potatoes are your new best friend. High in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, sweet potatoes support healthy skin and can help reduce the appearance of fine lines. According to research from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, beta-carotene helps protect your skin from UV damage and promotes a more youthful complexion. Plus, sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which supports digestive health. By including them in your diet, you're not only helping your skin, but also aiding your digestive system. Enjoy them roasted, mashed, or even in a smoothie. Your skin will thank you for it. Number 7. Green tea. Can a simple cup of tea make you look younger? Absolutely. Green tea is loaded with powerful antioxidants like catechins and polyphenols that help protect your skin from UV damage and promote a youthful appearance. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that the antioxidants in green tea can improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. And there's more. Green tea also supports metabolism and can aid in weight management, so sipping on green tea can benefit not just your skin, but also your overall health. Make it a daily ritual to enjoy this age-defying brew. Number 6. Olive oil. Can a kitchen staple double as a beauty secret? Yes, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that help keep your skin hydrated and may reduce inflammation. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveals that the antioxidants in olive oil can help combat oxidative stress, which is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance. Bonus: olive oil also supports heart health and can aid in weight management. Incorporate it into your cooking or use it as a salad dressing for a delicious way to stay youthful and healthy. Number 5. Kiwi fruit. What fruit can help you glow from the inside out? Kiwi fruit, loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, is a fantastic choice. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin health and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a diet rich in vitamin C is associated with fewer wrinkles and better skin texture. But there's more. Kiwi fruit also improves digestion and boosts the immune system. Enjoy this tangy fruit on its own, or add it to your smoothie to reap the benefits for your skin and overall health. Number 4. Mangoes. Can a tropical fruit hold the secret to youthful skin? Mangoes are high in vitamins A and C, which are essential for boosting collagen production and maintaining skin health. According to research from the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, the antioxidants in mangoes help protect the skin from oxidative damage, which can lead to a more youthful appearance. And they're not just good for your skin. Mangoes also support digestive health and can improve immune function. Add fresh mango slices to your diet for a tasty way to enhance your skin and overall well-being. Number 3. Quinoa. Looking for a superfood that keeps you looking young? Quinoa is a complete protein source packed with essential amino acids, antioxidants, and fiber. It helps maintain healthy skin and muscle mass, crucial for a youthful appearance. A study from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry highlights that the amino acids in quinoa support collagen production and skin repair. Bonus: quinoa supports energy levels and can aid in weight management. Use it as a base for salads or side dishes to get a nutritious boost that benefits your skin and overall health. Number 2. Chia seeds. Can tiny seeds make a big difference in your appearance? Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. Research from the Journal of Nutritional Science shows that omega-3 fatty acids can reduce inflammation and support healthy skin. Plus, chia seeds offer additional benefits. They support heart health and help regulate blood sugar levels. Sprinkle them on your yogurt or smoothie for a small but powerful addition to your diet that supports a youthful glow. Number 1. Red bell peppers. Can a colorful vegetable keep you looking young? Red bell peppers are packed with vitamins A and C and antioxidants like carotenoids, which help fight free radicals and improve skin texture. A study in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that the carotenoids in red bell peppers can protect the skin from environmental damage and enhance its overall appearance. Bonus: red bell peppers also support immune function and can enhance vision. Add them to your meals for a vibrant and nutritious way to boost your skin health and overall vitality. With that said, thanks for tuning in to discover these age-defying foods. Adding these delicious and nutritious options to your diet can help you look and feel younger. Share this with friends who could use a little extra glow, and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new, please subscribe for more health tips. Got any favorite foods that keep you looking young? Drop them in the comments below. Remember, a healthy lifestyle combined with the right foods can make a world of difference. Join us on this fitness journey and let's ride the wave to a healthier, happier you.